The Asphalt Paving Handbook has been the go-to resource for the paving industry for decades, but the industry has changed with new materials, new mix designs, new technologies, and higher expectations for quality and performance. So industry leaders came together to rebuild it from the ground up.
Some of the intelligent apparatus such as intelligent compaction, paver-mounted thermal profiling, dielectric profiling systems, those didn't exist 20 years ago with the previous iteration.
The updated handbook reflects how paving is actually done today, from materials and mix design to plant operations, paving, compaction, quality control, and much more.
We broke the handbook down thinking about how the process flows, meaning selection of materials, blending those materials in a mix design, running them through a hot plant, moving that material via trucking to the paving operation, running it through the paver, and finally getting the compaction.
Funded through the Airport Asphalt Pavement Technology Program, a partnership between the FAA and the National Asphalt Pavement Association, the new edition expands guidance for airfield paving, where heavier aircraft loads, higher tire pressures, and stricter smoothness requirements create unique construction challenges.
While there is a greater emphasis towards the airfield, paving practices are paving practices. And whether you're dealing with a highway or a city street or an airfield, the best practices at a paver, for example, are not different.
Now, for the first time, the Asphalt Paving Handbook is available as a fully searchable website and mobile app, giving inspectors, engineers, technicians, and paving crews instant access to guidance in the field. The digital platforms include an AI-powered handbook assistant that helps users quickly locate information, troubleshoot paving issues, and find relevant guidance on the job site.
Contractors that are in remote parts of the country will be able to access the app offline and pull up important resources without having the need to have access to mobile service.
The website and app also include interactive checklists and training videos.
These videos are embedded in the handbook and can easily be watched, and just another way for the user to absorb the important information.
Whether it's highways, local roads, runways, taxiways, or aprons, the goal is the same: better pavements built to last.
I think that the new version of the paving manual builds off the excellent platform that was the previous manual. And we have, once again, a single resource for the paving community to turn to for start to finish all the aspects of a paving operation.
Visit handbook.asphaltpavement.org or download the AAPTP Asphalt Paving Handbook app from the Apple App Store or Google Play.